Hello everyone. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Go to the subscribe here, push and click your bell button. And if you want to get new video, so go to click all. So now you have subscribed. Hello everyone. Today we will tell you about the double acting cylinder. This is the suppose we have the space to fix one cylinder 500 mm, and we have to recover the distance around 900 mm. So that space is uh, smaller than stock. So we can fix this cylinder there. So what is the working of that? That suppose this is now, we can close this now. This is the cylinder. Suppose this is the 500 mm, and we want stock of this cylinder. We have to move our some part around 900 mm. So that time we have to fix our parts here in this portion, and when we will give that, you know very well about that this is the A point and this is the B point. When pressure will come from this point, so pressure shaft will move front side. It will go forward and again it will be go forward. How it will be work? We will tell you here. This is the section view of our cylinder. This is the same cylinder. Forget this one first. That we have to check this. Pressure will come here and pressurize this portion of your piston. It will be moved down, forward and backward side. Pressure will enter here and drop and drain pressure through this. This is the B point. So pressure will come to here when oil is here. A new oil will enter here and old oil. What oil we have in our cylinder, that will be go through this to our tank, through wall and to tank. So that is the function of this, and we have to move this now. So that you can see that here the one hole here, and when pressure will come, so that time pressure this portion will be pressurized and also this portion will be pressurized. So that time we will pressure this, so it will be moved when it will go forward. So as well as it will be go forward, and the oil, what oil we have fixed here, you can see the point here, and through the pipe of this cylinder body, it will be go to through this one also. So it means that pressure will come here. So this will be go forward and also this will be go forward. This oil, what oil we have, go through this, and what oil is here. So it will be go through this point, and as well as go here. And when we want to close this cylinder, so that time pressure will enter. Suppose this is the B point, so pressure will enter through this. This will be pressurized here, this portion. When pressure will come, it will be go here, and also that you can see here that one hole inside here, that this is the red point, I colored this. So pressure will enter through this, and pressure will come here also, and releasing through this same, and so it will be go inside, and also it will be go inside due to this pressure. So when it will be go, your system will be closed, and what part you want to move, that will be moved. And suppose that we use this cylinder in our machine only, where we have little bit space, and if we compare to crane, that there are you can see that the control of this length also. This if you want to move this, so it will be moved. If want to move this part, so that time it will be moved. How it will be moved? Suppose this is, we have taken this through this hole, so no need now. So we will take directly from here. We will close this. We will take one outlet from here. When suppose now we have to fix this two valve, one valve for this and one valve for this and one valve for this. When we want to move, we want to move this only, not this. So this will be closed. This valve will be closed here, and when we want to move this this part, so we can fix close this valve. So pressure will not release from here. Suppose this is now, we will set the position now first. Suppose this is the close, both are closed now. Now we want to move only this part, inner part, not this. So we have to close this valve and we will give the pressure. So because this is the close, so oil will not drain from this. So only valve here, so it will be open now. So it will be moved because pressure will come here and pressure go to through here from this port. I am talking about crane, not this cylinder. I am telling you that what is the working of, same working of crane and our machine also. Only changing of this hosing, that front hosing of our piston. If we will use through this pipe, so that both person will be work at the same time. If we want to control that, we want this operate and sometime we want to this operate, so we have to separate it both portion of this. So simple connection are there. So now guys, I think you have to understand, and if you want to understand more things, so please give the comments. Thank you very much.